Good evening. Well, occasionally we did manage to see a very small amount of brightness today, but the weather's changing. We're losing the ridge of high pressure and low pressure starting to move in again, and there will be a weather front gradually starting to come in overnight and into the early hours. So the cloud increasing into the early part of tomorrow morning, some rain arriving on that weather front as well, and quite a breezy night in store. The nighttime temperature dropping down to 7 Celsius tonight. Tomorrow the rain working its way in. It's coming in from the southwest, and it will be with us on and off through the daytime. So another wet day. It's also going to be quite windy as well tomorrow, with the wind strengthening from the south, but it is a mild direction, so temperatures will be in the region of 11 Celsius.